Now moving on, we're gonna learn how to install and use Nmap. Nmap is a port scanner, and it scans a lot more things, vulnerabilities, and you can see if you get the internal IP, then Nmap will help you scan and look which ports are open, which will give you the information on what they're using or what they're doing. And then some strange ports will be open, and that will pique our curiosity. We'll find out what port those are and eventually, hopefully, find a vulnerability. But we won't be going through the vulnerability stage here. I'm just going to show you how to install it and run it, the basic stuff. So to install it, package, install, Nmap, enter. Okay, done. Clear. Now just type Nmap and you'll see you have it. These are all the switches. Okay, OS enable OS detection, etc, etc. Now let's see what's my IP. IF config. So as you can see, my IP is this. So this is my IP range. So let's say now I'm logged into a specific Wi-Fi and I want to look for, I'm searching for someone on my network that has port 6000 open. So what I do is Nmap, and I paste this number /24, which means every single IP in this range, and enter. Oh, sorry guys, my bad. Nmap. I type Nmap. Let's see. Paste. Enter. As you can see, the scan is done. This is just for my IP. Now let's do for the entire subnet. Right. /24. Here we go. Scanning 256 hosts. So it'll scan everything from, as you can see here, it scans everything from number 1 all the way down to 255. So it discovered a certain port open on all this. So keeps going up. See, things like port 80. Oh, this looks weird. 62078, probably iPhone. But okay, look at this. 443. So now we know one is open 443, which is HTTPS, which is not that suspicious. Okay. Let's see what else there is. All this, the hosts are down. There's no one in the subnet like that. Okay. So, hang on. Still scanning. So things like this, 49152, that piques my curiosity. So I'll go and check what it is. And from there, I'll know that these people using IP number ending with 10 and everything are using that. So let's say I found one. Hang on. Let's say, okay, 22, not suspicious. 80, definitely not suspicious. 53, no. 88, maybe you can check it out. And if you in the process find a FTP, I think 23, right? 21, I can't remember right now. So if you find a FTP port 23, port open, next you can run a FTP brute forcer against that. That's another way of entering a system. Right? So completed connect scan. One host left. Yeah, the last one takes a while. Let's see. So all this looks normal, right? Then there's one that came out with 6000. That one looks weird. This one, yeah. Look at this. I think it's iPhone. And here we are, guys. As you can see, once it's done with the scanning, it's going to show us what it showed us is in our subnet, the one I'm using, all these hosts are down, okay, and some are open. The ones that are open are being scanned, and then they'll show us what ports are open. For example, this one is 1.1, everything is closed, right? 1.10, SSH is open, HTTP, UPnP, plug and play, and unknown. 49152 is interesting. Everything has 49152. Probably never mind. So most of it is the same. So now let's, 62078 iPhone sync. So you can go to Metasploit or online and look for any of this port that's using the specific program has a vulnerability, and you proceed, which I'll show in future videos. So for this video, I just wanted to show you how to simply install Nmap and the basic use of it. All right. Hope that helps. There's a lot more switches to use on Nmap, but we'll go over it over time. Okay. Bye bye. Ciao.